salutation to the God. About God we should know clearly, because according God our guarantee forever to live, but from the point of view of body, from the point of view world, not guarantee, even up to evening, even up to tomorrow, no guarantee. According our bodies, physical bodies, from the point of view physical world, not surety, uh, not safe, no safe 100%, may die today also, tomorrow also, the day after tomorrow also, after 50 years also, after 100 years also, but sure, does not stay, no guarantee. But the guarantee is according to God. So our actual nature is the God. So we should know about the God, from which we can convert our human life into the life of God. It is possible for all means for all human beings of the world. It is very easy according the supreme philosophy of the world, that is Vedanta philosophy. Vedanta philosophy is for all to convert into God at present, not in future. Future is uncertain, but present is certain. So whatever we should do, the great thing at the present we should do, because present in our hand, in our control, future out of control. So from the example of the fruit of the coconut, we can easily know about the God, and we can convert into the God easily. From the example of the fruit of the coconut, in Hindi Jata Nariyal, in Nepali language Jata Nariyal. From that example we can decide who we are, we can decide who we are not, according the example from the fruit of the coconut tree. There is two parts. There are two parts in a coconut, in the fruit of coconut. Two parts. One outer part, that is throwable, that we should throw, and the next part, eatable part, which we can eat very sweetly. There are two parts in the coconut fruit. One outer part, cover part, not useful for eating, and next second part, eating part, useful part, very sweet taste, mostly we all like to eat. Two parts. From the example of two parts of the coconut, there is two parts. One should throw, and next remaining part we can eat, which is very good for health and very tasty to eat also. This is the example. From this example, we should know that from the truth point of view, from the reality point of view, there are two parts in the world. There are two parts uh, within truth. One part world, next part God. One part world, next part God. Like the part of coconut outer side to eat should throw uh, like that. The world is dream. The world is dream, not usable for immortal point of view. From the God point of view, we should throw as thinking dream, short dream, long dream, both dream. According immortal point of view, no use. From immortal point of view, use only of the God, which we belong. According to example, one part, throwing part, the outer part is like dream part, the world part. The eating part, for example, of the coconut, that is God. From the good example from sound sleep, very sound experience when we realize the experience of sound sleep. Very much pleasure in sound sleep, because there is no world. In sound sleep there is no world. There is only God. The proof is only there is pleasure. Only there is pleasure within sound sleep. So, to be God, the best example is sound sleep, from where we can realize only the pleasure, not tensions, not troubles, not death, not any fear, only pleasure we can realize from the example of sound sleep. Actually, we can know the nature of God from the example of sound sleep. So, one part dream, next part sound sleep. One part that belongs world, that is dream part, and the another part, God part, where is always pleasure. That is God part. We belong to God. So, from the example of coconut, two parts, one throwable, next eatable. Like that, dream not to take, but the sound sleep to take always. So, this example very easy for all of the world to convert into the God at the present time. That is true. Because it is saying of supreme philosophy, that is Vedanta philosophy of the world. There is no doubt 100% correct. We should follow. Uh, we should follow that where is 100% correct. That is God. I explain this in Hindi language and Nepali language. And more easy to realize about the God from the language of Nepali and Hindi. अभिवादन सभी को, भगवान को अभिवादन, भगवान ही हम लोगों का यथार्थ स्वरूप है, ये जानने के लिए जो नरियल है, जटा सहित का नरियल, वो बहुत अच्छा उदाहरण है। उसमें दो विभाग है, एक बोकरा विभाग है, कवर विभाग, दूसरा खाए वाला विभाग जो अंदर रहता है। वैसा ही दो हिस्सा है, एक परमात्मा हिस्सा, दूसरा ओल्ड हिस्सा। ओल्ड हिस्सा नरियल का बोकरा जैसा है, खाने के लिए उसको फेंकना ही पड़ेगा। लेकिन जो अंदर वाला है नरियल, जो बहुत मीठा है, खाने में बहुत आनंद आता है, पेट भी भरता है, वो है भगवान के उदाहरण के लिए। इसलिए हम लोगों ने लेना है भगवान को। हम लोगों ने नहीं लेना है जहाँ मृत्यु है वो संसार को, जहाँ टेंशन है, जहाँ ट्रबल है, जहाँ डर है, टेंशन ही टेंशन जहाँ है, जहाँ कोई समाधान नहीं है, संसार के भीतर कोई समाधान नहीं है अमरता के लिए, क्योंकि वो जड़ है। And soul is world. Soul is God. We belong to soul, God. We no belong. We don't belong to unsouled world. From the immortal point of view, from the always point of view, from the truth point of view, from the supreme reality point of view. So, now at the present time, we should decide what is wrong, what is right. At the present, for our whole life, for all the future, we should decide what is wrong, what is right. God is right. World, due to tensions, due to death, due to mind feeling, due to coming going, that is exactly not good. Good only God. God we are God. We are not different from the God. We are different from the world. So, at present, we should decide the great thing, the great decision of the God. So, we should be our life, our whole life, according immortal life, that according God. इसलिए नरियल के दृष्टांत से जो बाहर का हिस्सा है खाने के लिए वो फेंकना ही पड़ेगा, और बाकी हिस्सा हम लोग ले लेते हैं। वैसा ही परमात्मा हिस्सा जो है हरदम के लिए है, उसमें अमरता है, पूर्णता है, मोक्ष है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, कोई मृत्यु नहीं है, अच्छा ही अच्छा है। इसलिए नरियल के दृष्टांत से परमात्मा को अभी वर्तमान में हम लोग बदलना है, क्योंकि भविष्य अनिश्चित है, भविष्य कोई भरोसा नहीं है, शाम तक कल तक किसी का भरोसा नहीं है, न बच्चों का, न युवा का, न वृद्ध का। लेकिन भगवान को लेके गारंटी है, पक्का है, जहाँ गारंटी है उसको ले ले। ये हम लोग के हाथ में है, हम लोग जो निर्णय करते हैं वो होगा। ये कहना है संसार के सर्वोच्च दर्शन जो वेदांत दर्शन है, जो उपनिषद दर्शन है, जो गीता के सार है, जो वेद के सार वेदांत है, उसका कहना है ये हम लोग सभी संसार के लिए है, इसलिए हम लोग जहाँ हरदम अच्छा है, भला है, मोक्ष है, परम आनंद है, अमरता है, उसको लेना ही होगा अपने भलाई के लिए। अब हम लोग जो मानव हैं सब परमात्मा में बदल के रहें, और ये कलयुग में सबसे आसानी है परमात्मा में बदलने के लिए, ये आप भी करें। अभी समय जो है ये कार्यक्रम का 15 मिनट, 15 मिनट्स टाइम ड्यूरेशन of expression, so the time is going up. This show we are telling, listening from Balaram GC. Titles Advait Pradip Saraswati, President of Akhanda Sukha Kendra, Nepal. And we are listening from Nepal country, from Bhairava city through media, FM radios, Rupandai FM Bhairava, Radio Parasi from Srinagar FM, Palpa Tansen from Butol Mukti FM. We are listening, telling through media. We can, in our leisure time, if we interested, we can listen this expression through online, Rupandai FM, Radio Parasi, Srinagar FM, Mukti FM, Butol. We can listen. The Twitter also, they are the good way to be God. From Balram GC, their titles we get in YouTube and Twitter also. If we interested, we can see, we can listen anytime in our leisure time. Now the time is ending. Hari Om Tat Sat.